In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk import existing data on monday.com. First, open monday.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're using a workspace and board where you have permission to add items. If you're not sure, a quick check with your admin can save you time later. Next, choose the board where you want the data to land. You'll find your boards listed on the left. Click the one that matches your project or team and give the layout a quick glance so you know which columns exist and what types they are, like status, date, people, numbers, or text. At the top of the board, find the New Task or New Item button. Click the small drop-down arrow beside it to see additional options. From that menu, select Import Task. This opens the importing flow where you'll point monday.com to your source file, browse your files and select the spreadsheet you want to bring in, typically an Excel or CSV file. For best results, use a file where the first row contains clear column headers, dates are in a consistent format, and any status-like fields use predictable labels. That prep helps the importer recognize your data more accurately. Click next to move forward. You'll be asked to choose which column in your spreadsheet should become the item name on the board. Pick the field that best identifies each row, such as task name, project, or ticket title, then click next again. Now map your spreadsheet columns to your board's columns. For each header in your file, select the matching monday.com column. Text fields map to text, due dates map to date, owners map to people, and so on. If you have a column in your spreadsheet that doesn't match anything on the board, you can create a new column during this step so nothing important gets left behind. Take your time here. Good mapping ensures your data appears exactly where your team expects it. Next, choose how to handle duplicates. Decide whether to skip rows that appear to be duplicates, update existing items when a match is found, or allow new duplicates to be created. If you plan to update existing items, make sure the matching field, often the item name, is consistent so monday.com can confidently identify the right records. When everything looks correct, click Start Import. You'll see a progress indicator as your items are created or updated. When it's done, scan a few records on the board to confirm dates, statuses, and owners landed in the right columns. If something looks off, adjust your mapping and run the import again for a clean, reliable dataset.